Hi, buddy. What are you? Are you a ferret? I didn't know you lived in Michigan in the wild. What is it just a squirrel with a wet tail? Got that duck food. Waiting for them night ducks. Well, it's a duck. What? Where are you going? I was just going to grab the food. Ducky, 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 come and eat from my hand. Hey, ducky. It's duck food. Why isn't it soft enough for them? It's got a picture of one of you right on the bag. Well, this is wildly disappointing. Directions. It doesn't say let's soak. Did that duck just eat a mosquito? Following the light? I'm pretty sure it is following the flashlight. Oh, it's duck just ate a spider. We are best friends now, duck. Here's one. Duck. Duck. Eat this one. For real. I'm happy to help you hunt. Yeah, let's go do by the motor. Oh, ducky, look over here. I can see way more than I want to be able to see. Yeah, there's one. You see that? Yes! We are best friends. Come on, ducky. There's some more over here. Oh, there's one. Yes. You didn't get it, but that was a great shot. Thank you. Get you some more light. See what other ones you can. Oh, that's a leaf. Come on, there's two more over here. Here's a big one right there. Come on, get that one. Oh, do you see it? Oh, yeah. I got a duck eating spiders for us. Yeah. Oh, it's up higher. You're looking at its shadow. We're legit a good team. Off to the night it goes. Night duck's back. Hi, night duck. Night duck, I soaked some food in water. A little duck pellet stew. 1 part duck foods, 1 part water. I think you can eat this. Your reward for killing spiders for me. There you go. Can you get it down? Night duck doesn't love it. Duck would rather eat just random crap off the top of the river than food made for ducks. It's not like I wasted $50 on a giant sack of duck food. You just want to kill spiders together? There you go. Oh, that's excellent. Oh, that was a good one. This thing's just a cold-blooded killer. All right, ducky, I think that's it for the night. Thanks for hunting with me. Maybe I'll see you in a few nights. Bring the family. Pets. Ducky want pets? Definitely bit me.
Oh, look who it is. It's the night ducks. Coots, what did you start?
Here you go. Well, hanging out by the tower. Enjoy it before they tear it down later this summer, according to them. Just hopped on to shore. Almost landed on this little fella right here. There's only one poisonous snake in Michigan, and it's a rattlesnake, and this one is not.
Look at its tail, though.
That's not a rattle.
Dude, it's the beginning of a rattle. There's a little knob on it. You see it?
It's got a little clump of mud on there. Regardless if it's poisonous or not, I don't want little razor sharp snake needle teeth in my fingers.
Or it's venom. Because it's a rattlesnake.
And it's always good to just not screw with nature. Definitely bit me. Welcome back to some wonderful wildlife. Yeah, that works. Today we have a Michigan river frog. I don't know what type it is. Google it. I don't know what to feed frogs, but I do know that the #1 thing that you should feed any wildlife animal you see is absolutely nothing. A little duck pellet stew. Leave them alone and let them be. Don't interrupt their day like I just did. Definitely bit me.
Look at the baby deers.
Got a little bit more wildlife for you guys. It's another frog. I think that's a bullfrog. Don't want to disrupt it. Don't want to get too close. But I do want to get some wonderful shots of this beautiful little boy. Ribbit. Why does it keep eating itself? What the hell? Thank you for the show, Goose Ducks.
Well, I just made
made a horrible discovery. It's not what we need. I'm gonna see what kind of poison Mark has in his garage. Ant and roach killer too. How convenient.
To kill ants, beetles, cockroaches, crickets, and spiders, including like widows. Spray into hiding places such as cracks, crevices.
Oh, they do not like it.
Openings around sinks, drains, and pipes. Around appliances, along baseboards, and behind cabinets. Spray until wet. Contact as many insects as possible.
I would say that's wet. It smells good. I'm gonna put some in the bag and sniff it. That's a big one. Please be the queen. Alright, I'm gonna get back. Alright, I'm gonna get back to editing. When I come back, I want to see a bunch of fresh corpses here. It's been about 20 minutes since I sprayed the death spray all over a colony of ants. We got one that's brain doesn't seem to work anymore. Bunch of dead ants over around here. Looks like one's corpse there. Here's another. Oh, that one's not a corpse yet. Here, get in that puddle, buddy. There you go. Let's make this quick. Shh, 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 shh. There you go, little buddy. It stops. Oh my God, Justin. Been a couple hours since I sprayed that ant spray and there is no activity. It's starting to smell a little headachy in here, so we're gonna call it. God damn it. There's another one of these sons of bitch motherfuckers. Oh, he already ran and hid. That son of a bitch. I had it with these motherfucking spiders. This is eco-friendly, by the way. I'll leave that side for the frogs. It's just a peppermint scented spray. Apparently spiders don't like that. I think it's delightful. There's a spider again on the corner that I most thoroughly saturated in spray. There were two ducks just chasing each other. One flew up into that crack into that tree and hid, and now this one's going crazy looking for it. Oh, did he find it? They found it. And there's another one in a little apartment above it. I didn't even know ducks climb trees. A little bit more safari action for you. Just got a text. It might be a girl. That was Mark. Anyway, back to the safari. Is that the beaver dam? I don't know if there's beavers around here, but that's a suspicious piling of sticks for nature to assemble. Brave turtle. He will not move for you, brave turtle. You can't tell him what to do. It's the tiniest little turtle. It looks like a Pokemon.
So when you could catch it if you wanted to catch it.
I think I could pet it.
Yeah.
Become good friends with it. Ah! Okay, bye-bye. River turtle sticking his butt in the air. River turtle, he see me, he don't care. Perhaps had too much caffeine today. Also, perhaps not. I got some more wildlife for y'all. Look at them fish. Oh, I jumped. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
13. I see 13 fishes. They look like a bunch of swimming pickles. All right, pickle fish, welcome back. I got some heavy fish activity today and I wanted to check it out and share it. Oh my God, one just scared me. We got our normal school in today. There's a little over a dozen that I've been seeing about the last week straight. Today, I'm actually gonna try and catch one. I have a little lure on here that's literally just like a little fly. The other day I saw a bee land on the surface, a fish bit it, got stung, and then dropped it. So I know they eat things of this size. I'm just gonna dangle it in a little bit and see what happens. Maybe I should let some line out. I might have got a nibble. I think I need a bopper. I think I need a bobber. Oh, got a nibble. Okay, they're not hungry anymore. I think the fish are wise to my tricks. I got it set up in the rod holder and the fish don't care. New tactic. These things like stuff on the surface. I'll give them something on the surface. Definitely poke myself with a hook. No blood, so I can't even show off a cool looking wound. Something feels loose in this rod. You got a real winner here, Mark. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to besmirch the blue whip. Hook's all weird now. Ah, yeah, did it the smart way. Come on, guys, I'm putting on a little show for you. I'll tell you what, I'll start filming if I catch something. There's a bunch of fish down here.
Yeah, just put that thing in right there. Oh yeah. They're totally going for it. There's like 10 fish. I feel like we could just get the net and just scoop them. Dude, that thing just attacked that. Oh, there. Oh. Oh.
I just got a nibble.
Oh, yeah.